Yes, welcome to Bikes with Rye. Today is going to be a very exciting day because I'm about to bring my BMW S1000R over to Dave Woods Racing in Buckingham, and with me are some very special items. Let me show you what they are. Let me just go into this trusty Triumph rucksack of mine and present to you these pretty Black Widow headers. And I'm quite happy that they've all managed to fit in this rucksack. So they come out of this box here and I was a bit worried. But yeah, all gone in there nicely. So let me stick my helmet on, jump on the bike and bring you guys along for the ride. Oh, bloody hell. Like a pterodactyl, mate, fly through the air. So I'm just trying out my GPS navigation from the BMW Connected app via the TFT display. I want to find out if it's any good. I roughly know where I'm going. I know it's in Buckingham. I know how to get to Milton Keynes, but it's that little part between Milton Keynes to Buckingham. I'm not 100% sure, so I thought, hey, let me use GPS and see how good it is. Oh, oh, so I'm going to start stalling it. I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm going to activate it again, hit start. So I'm not entirely sure it's working correctly. We shall manage if it's not. Just going to pop my heated grips on, stick it on level 1, and we are cruising on road mode. And yeah, plan of attack today is to have the S1000R put onto the rolling road once we arrive and see what kind of power the bike is producing before we do any modifications. Then the guys are going to go ahead and replace the headers with the Black Widow ones, then stick it back on the rolling road, see what kind of gains, if at all we get any, sort of see like a baseline before any of the tuning takes place, you know, understand I guess whether or not, you know, do we get any gains by just putting headers on, seeing if the ECU can adapt at all. I'm just intrigued, you know. And then yeah, then the guys are going to tune up the ECU, tune the bike, and then we'll see what we get. If any of you guys actually know as well why my GPS isn't working, I'd love to know. If you drop a comment below. Yeah, I mean, it's telling me where I am on the A507, but it's not actually kicked off. It's showing start on the screen, and there's nothing in the app that I can see that, you know, I need to press to activate it. I just put in the route and I click go, and then it's transferred onto the screen, but nothing else is happening. I just had a bit of a panic thinking, did I actually do the bag up? You know, do you ever get that feeling? You ride along and you can imagine the headers one by one flying out behind me. Yeah, no, safe. You know, peace of mind and all that. Let's carry on motoring. Observation: when you wear earplugs and you take away those sensors, you know, the wind blast, what you find underneath you is a very solid bike, very smooth. The gear changes, the chassis, everything you can tell is really bolted together very well. And I need to mention that, you know, I see a lot of comments about vibrations. I don't know how anyone's feeling these vibrations on this bike. I mean, I could almost say there is zero vibrations in the handlebars, nothing through the seat, very minor through the foot pegs. We're in Milton Keynes now, we're not very far. So, pop into this BP garage, stick some fuel in the bike because we only have 40 miles left on the range. Where do I need to go? I need to go over here, get some ultimate in it, some premium. brim the tank. What's that saying? 10 litres, if we get it. $10.01, that'll do, yeah. That's right up there, mate. 18 squid, eh? It's killing me. I think I've ended up going slightly longer route. 20 minutes to go. That's all good. Alright. I think we are here somewhere. Here? This is it here. How you doing?
Morning.
Morning. That's bang on then.
Yeah, pretty good, isn't it? Is that what they quote, is it?
Yeah, on the factory, yeah, 165. So.
Don't normally see that.
No, that's crazy.
Might be shocked how much it don't gain with the exhaust.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Until it's set up.
Until it's all together. Yeah.
Okay.
Because obviously you've taken all that restriction out.
Yeah.
You then need to compensate with adding fuel.
Okay.
So sometimes it can be quite hard to do a back-to-back just by swapping the exhaust.
Yeah.
Because the fueling's actually not too bad on full throttle with the standard exhaust on. Full throttle.
Yeah.
Really lean.
But I actually find when if I'm on partial throttle opening, it's actually quite bad, the fueling.
Yeah.
Like it's probably the worst bike I've ridden.
Yeah.
Honestly,
yeah.
like
it's on and off.
It surges. Like if you hold it partially open, it's like
can't hold
it's
constant
juddering.
speed.
No.
Yeah.
And it's even worse when you're going down a slight hill.
Yeah.
And the sort of the weights come away from it. It's even more evident.
So this is your brake horsepower curve.
Okay.
And this is your torque curve. And up here, 165 at that RPM, and 85 at top at that RPM.
Cool. That's like, that is bang on.
Is it? What they say?
Honestly, that is bang on what the...
Impressive.
Yeah, 165 and 85